Hey guys, we're at North County Indian in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a used Harley-Davidson 2021 Street Bob. Yes, I said used. This thing only has 102 miles on it. I don't know why they traded it in after they did all this amazing work. We've got the bags, S&S pipe. We've got the Harley grips, fairing. This thing is already set up and hasn't even been broken in yet. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California. We are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check it out. It's not gonna be here long.